Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Shari and I am based here in Cagayan de Oro City. So for today's video, we are here at Studio Art Cafe. They are located here at Corrales Hayes and in front of a Babo Persian kitchen. So if you are planning to study or chat with your friends, this is a very nice place na pwede ninyong anhian. For today's video, I will answer a few questions. Parang get to know me video ni siya. So I have 5 simple questions for me to answer para makilala nyo ako ng mas mabuti. Okay, the first question is, what inspired you to do vlogging? Okay, what inspires me to vlog is actually my desire to channel positivity and also my hope to inspire people. Even if I'm not on that stage pa sa vlogging, yun yung pinaka-desire ko kung bakit ako nag-vlog. Parang vlogging is my way of saying to other people na you are not alone in that kind of journey. We all have different struggles in life, even on a daily basis. And it's my way of saying na bisag unsa na siya kalisod na struggle sa life, malagpasan na nimo siya and it's your choice. Happiness is a choice, parang ganon. So, I hope na in my future vlogs, ma-channel na ko siya. That's why I also started a ShaiTalks in my channel. But because of sobrang hirap sa time mag-vlog, hindi ko pa siya nagagawa. So, the second question is struggles in vlogging. So, pinakadako kaayo nga challenge sa mga vloggers and vloggers, I think, ay yung time. So, pag-balance ng time. So, being a mom and meron akong work from 9 p.m. to 6 p.m. And also, I have a ministry. So, my work is from Monday to Friday. And I also have a ministry on Saturdays and Sundays. Yung pag-balance talaga ng time yung sobrang hirap. Parang meron ka talagang masasacrifice na isa sa kanila. But, mahirap i-sacrifice yung ministry. Yung family time, yung time for yourself, minsan nasa-sacrifice yun. So, isa din struggles ng pag-vlog is, yeah, you can face rejection. So, isa yun sa struggle. Yung paano siya i-handle yung rejection, paano i-handle yung mga criticisms. Kasi, diba, hindi mo naman ma-please, hindi mo ma-please yung lahat ng tao. Kaya, yun. So, kailangan strong yung personality mo para you can cope up with rejections and failures in vlogging. So, I think yun yung mga pinaka-struggle or mga pinaka-mahirap sa pag-vlog. The next question is areas that you need to improve in vlogging. So, yung pinaka-major na area I think na kailangan kong mag-improve is yung pag-storytell. So, how are you going to convey the information? How are you going to relay the information to your viewers? Yun yung pinaka-mahirap. Sorry, may note ako dito. So, yun yung area na kailangan kong mag-improve kung paano mo nga ma-channel yung positivity, paano mo ma-inspire yung mga tao. Even if your vlog is about event or featuring a brand, how you can inspire people. So, yun yung mga kailangan ko pang matutunan kung paano ko siya ma-incorporate sa vlog. Second is yung editing in general. So, editing would take you 4 hours, pinakagamay 4 hours din na siya. So, yung pinaka-kailangan kong i-improve is yung caption, paglalagay ng caption, ng effects, ng sound effects. Pag-choose ng music, medyo mahirap yun kasi iba-iba kasi yung ating preference when it comes to music or sound effects yun. So, medyo mahirap yung part na yun para sa akin. At sobrang dami ko pang kailangan gawin para magawa ko yung desirable sa karamihan. So, yun. So, next question is, how has vlogging changed your life? So, yan. Even if bago pa lang ako sa vlogging, sobrang na-change niya na yung aking life kasi being an introvert person, hindi kasi ako masalita. Alam mo, yung sa group ng 3 to 4 persons, ako yung isang person na tahimik lang sa isang sulok. And mas gusto ko kasi na nakikinig ako. Kaya hindi ko masyadong ma-relay yung mga thoughts ko about a certain topic. So, through vlogging na-develop yung aking self-esteem, natutunan ko na kailangan mong magsalita, kailangan mong makipag-socialize, kailangan mong makipag-connect sa ibang tao. In general, vlogging has developed my social skills and it has also developed my technical skills kasi in vlogging, you have to learn different kind of editing applications and also yung mga transitions doon. So technically, kailangan mong matutunan yon. And parang dahan-dahan nade-develop ako sa ganon. And also, if you're in a event, kailangan yung creativity mo lumalabas siya, kung paano mo i-shoot yung brand, yung product, kung paano mo siya gawa ng story. Parang yun yung mga nag-develop sa akin. Pero yung pinaka-general talaga is yung self-esteem and then yung pagiging pag-socialize, pakikipag-connect or channeling your opinions or your thoughts. So the last question is my message to aspiring vloggers out there. Para sa mga aspiring vloggers, vlogging is very hard. Alam nyo, nakikita nyo, napapanood yung mga 5-minute video, 3 minutes, pero it takes a lot of time to do that, a lot of time to edit that. So, kailangan may roots kayo kung saan kayo nanggagaling. Ano yung pinaka-reason nyo why you are vlogging? So, parang you have to have that baseline or your roots, your goals, your vision, ano yung gusto mong marating, bakit ka nagva-vlog. Kasi in vlogging, sobrang mahirap. Along the way, you will face different struggles, difficulties, rejections, failures, yung mga na-anticipate mo na mangyari. Pag sometimes in an event, hindi siya nami-meet. So, parang sobrang dami mong kailangan i-deal with vlogging. But if you're passionate about that, kahit sobra kahirap yan, kaya mong gawin. Kaya mong mag-sacrifice. Kaya yung gusto kong sabihin dun sa mga gustong mag-vlog or gustong mag-vlog, mag-write up, kailangan may desire kayo, sobrang lalim na desire to share, to inspire people. Kasi kung gaya-gaya lang yan or gusto niyo lang may ibang motivation kayo to do that, medyo mahirap. Medyo mahirap yung vlogging. And pag naka-face kayo ng struggle na wala kayong sobrang strong foundation or strong reason or strong why kung bakit kayo nagvo-vlog, it will be easy for you to just give up, just stop filming, just stop uploading, or just stop writing. So, ganun. So, to all the vloggers, gumagawa ng video, gumagawa ng content, yung mga lumalabas yung creativity nila, sobrang na-admire ko sila and they inspire me because I know that vlogging is not easy. Vlogging is difficult and it takes sacrifices sometimes, but yeah, just be passionate about it. And once nga nag-start kayo, just be consistent. And even if you fail, for example, you fail to upload, you fail to make content, just go on. Sabi nga nila, just keep on swimming. Laban lang dyan daw ta mga besh. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa short video na to. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and the bell notification beside it so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye!